Today, we are dealing with a story, Amnesty, written by Nadine Godimer. Nadine Godimer is a noted writer and political activist of South Africa. Her novels and short stories are scathing attacks on the apartheid and the role of the white in South Africa. By the way, what is apartheid? Simply put, it's nothing other than racial discrimination. But in her story Amnesty, the themes are love, politics, and village life rather than apartheid or something like that. The story is told by a village girl. Her lover is in jail, and the story begins with the news that he is released from prison. The girl and the other relatives are waiting eagerly for his homecoming. He is coming home after 6 years. It is then she recollects the entire history of their life and love. He went away from the village 9 years ago to work in a construction company. For 2 years, he sent money regularly and came home once in a week. It was then he asked her father to give her in marriage to him. But soon he became a active worker of the union, and gradually he rose to the leadership of the union, and soon he was arrested and put in prison. It was during the trial that a baby daughter was born to them, and the girl was named Inkululeko by her father. The meaning of the word is freedom. He was sentenced to 6 years imprisonment on the island. The girl took his parents to Cape Town to see him in the prison in Robben Island. Robben Island is where Nelson Mandela was imprisoned for 27 years. As these girl and his parents, these people had no permit with them, they were not admitted to the ferry boat. She didn't know that a permit was needed from her home village to get entry to the prison. Even after he came back, he was very busy with political activities. The daughter doesn't recognize his father when he comes home. The narrator also finds herself as distanced from her man, partly because he is busy with his political activities, and partly she doesn't understand politics. But she knows he is so busy because he is doing something for her and for the country, and he doesn't forget to teach her about the nuances of the politics and the activities of the union. Gradually, the girl uh, comes to know about politics, or she becomes politically enlightened. In the end of the story, she is waiting for him to come back. This is a political story, but closely woven into a fabric of the relationship between a man and a woman.